Hi, I'm Dick Schramer, and I'm here to present to you my invention called the Hovertoon. Now, the Hovertoon is a combination hovercraft and pontoon boat, and it's based on a 22-foot pontoon chassis with patented rotating pontoons. Now, when you rotate those pontoons out, you gain 50% more surface area, and that surface area translates into more carrying capacity in hovercraft mode. As far as the need for a Hovertoon goes, just watch the news on TV. You'll see a hurricane that's gone through and it's caused massive flooding, a river overflowing, people getting stranded on ice floes in Green Bay. There's all sorts of places that you need to haul a number of people back at the same time and their gear. So the Hovertoon can carry almost 2,000 pounds in people and gear. So it makes it an excellent craft to get to these places.